Hello and welcome to the Flutter development course. In this video we will see what are the widgets, what are the types of widgets and some of the example of the widgets. So let's quickly move forward to the first point, that is what are the widgets. Basically in Flutter everything is a widgets. Widgets are used to create the front end in the widget. Like for example, if you have a web development background, then you know HTML. For example, if we want to create a button like this in HTML, then we will use a tag which is called a button tag, and end of the button. So will use that kind of a syntax in the HTML. So if we want to create a button in the Flutter, then we will have to use a widget. So tags are used to create UI in the HTML or in the web, but in Flutter we will use widgets. For example, if we want to create a text view, then we will use a text view. Its syntax will be like this, and in the parentheses we will write our the text, like text 1. So this is so called the widgets. I hope this is clear now. I repeat it again that widgets are basically used to create the front end in the Flutter. There are many types of the widgets available, but the mainly two types are the widgets are, first one is built-in widgets. Built-in widgets are the widgets that are already built in Flutter. Like we have a text widgets. A text widget is a built-in widget which is built in Flutter. Another one example is the raised button or the flat button, and floating action buttons, we can say that. And the second type of the widgets is the custom widgets. I will write it here, custom widgets. These widgets are the basically user defined widgets. A user defined these widgets based on his requirements and the needs. These widgets are basically combination of the many widgets, and we will see later in this course how can we create our custom widgets and how we can combine multiple widgets to form a single widgets. And the next point is, what are the examples of the widgets in the Flutter? So for example, if we want to this application like here there a text view, and after that there is a button. So for that we first have to write a text widget. So for this I will write text, and inside this I will put my string in the single quotation, because in the Dart string is always in a single quotation. Like I will write press here. Okay, so this is the text widget, and after that we have to create a button widget as well. So for that I will write button widget button, and in this I will write my text. For that I will write child, and here inside the child I will have to provide my text widget. So don't be confused, we will discuss these buttons later on this course when we start the series of the buttons. In button series we will cover all the buttons from starting till the end. So I will write here text. Inside this I will write my text like button, and this will be the end of the button. So these are the some of the examples of the widgets, that how we can create a widgets in the Flutter. I hope this is now clear. If you still confused in the widgets, then we will later see all these kinds of widgets in our later course. So stay connected by subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.